here. Hey, tonight we got a special presentation demo of Winda Fireworks. W-I-N-D-A. All right. And tonight we're going to do a safe and sane fountain called Bouquet. Or for some of us who can't pronounce things correctly, Bouquet or Bouquet. So let's take a look at it here. It's kind of light. It's not very heavy. We come down, we can see the caution. Oh, okay. That's the P3047. I've been looking for that. Emit showers of sparks, right? So we can see what we're going to do there. Outdoor light fuse it. Get away. All right. Safe and sane. Yeah. There's really not too much to this one. It doesn't really give us a display of what's going to come up. We can see the top. So again, let my little chubby finger work. Let's go ahead and check this one out and see what Winda Bouquet can do for you. We're at the launch pad. Let's go ahead and see Winda Bouquet. Whoa, it's getting bigger. Woo! Smoky too. Let's hear it for Winda and Bouquet, or I like to say barbecue.